औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम। क्लास 7th सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 3 चेस हिस्ट्री बुक पे द दहली सुल्तान्स तुम कड़ो पन हिस्ट्री बुक नबर चैप्टर 3 कड़ो द दहली सुल्तान्स अमिक टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस करो आज द दहली सुल्तान्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 चेस Which ruler first established his or her capital at Delhi? Answer chat Anangapala of Tomara Rajputs first established his capital at Delhi. Shat answer. Impact chess question number 2. What was the language of administration under the Delhi Sultans? आंसर चाहत यानी कि कुछ लैंग्वेज वानी आंसर चाहत पर्शियन वाज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अंडर द दिल्ली सुल्तान्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 says in whose region did the sultanate reach its farthest extent? आंसर चाहत the sultanate reached its farthest extent in the region of Muhammad Tughlaq. Question number 4 says from which country did Ibn Battuta travel to India? Answer says Ibn Battuta traveled to India from Morocco. Question number 5 says according to the circles of justice, why was it important for military commanders to keep the interests of the peasantry in mind? Answer Chesat. It was important for military commanders to keep the interest of peasantry in mind because the salaries of the soldiers come from the revenue collected from the peasants and peasants could pay the revenue only when they were prosperous and happy. Hence the military commanders promoted justice and honest governance. Question number 6 says what is meant by internal and external frontiers of the Sultan? यानी internal to external frontiers of Sultanate कम गए उन meaning क्या गई? Internal frontiers of the Sultanate consisted of the hinterland of the garrison town. During these campaigns, forests were cleared in the Ganga, Yamuna, Doab, and hunter-gatherers and pastoralists expelled from their habitat. You go internal frontier. Impact external. The external frontiers refer to the unconquered territories, especially in the southern part of subcontinent. Military expeditions into southern India started during the reign of Alauddin Khalji and ended with the reign of Muhammad Tughlaq. ये गए external frontiers ये गो internal तो बे external frontiers तो ये करियो पानी history copy नेबर pencil ते करियो तो नेबर तो यम questions करियो तो यम 6 questions ऐस कर यम chapter number 3 युस च the Delhi Sultans यम 6 questions कर ऐस हम करियो तो पानी copy पे note तो आज गो फिलहाल युती इंशाल्लाह next class मस बरोस ब्रोंट कुन